guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda. If this is your first time here, guys, it is nice to meet you. If you are coming from Clean with Kellie's channel, welcome guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video and y'all go ahead and choose to subscribe to my channel. So today is a collab with, of course, the beautiful Clean with Kellie. I'll have her YouTube channel right here, guys, and I will also have it down in the description box so that if you have never been to her channel, go check her out after you get done with my video today, guys. And she's going to be doing a power hour as well. Clean with Kellie is just, she's a really amazing lady. She is a mommy. She is a wife. She works, so she has a pretty full-time schedule, guys. Make sure y'all go check her out. But as of today, we of course are doing a power hour. So let's go ahead and go over my list. I do already have it right here listed, everything I want to get done within my hour, guys. So I do have fold the towels and put them up because I have those in the dryer. I need to clean up the kitchen from dinner time. I need to throw more clothes in the washer. Iron my husband's shirts for work tomorrow. I need to fix the couches in the living room, sweep the living room, clean up my vanity where I do my makeup every morning because it's a mess, and also pack my husband's lunch today. So like I said, this is my list right here, guys, and let's see if I can all get it done within an hour. So let's go ahead and show y'all what time it is. I have my Fitbit with me, so that's what you're going to see. It is 12:43, guys. Yes, I know that is super late at night, but we're going to get going on this video. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, so it is actually 1:46, so I'm over by 3 minutes because as y'all know I started at 12:43. So looking over my list guys, I was able to accomplish my folding my towels and putting them up, cleaning my kitchen, and packing my husband's lunch. I did start on ironing one of his shirts, but I did not even get to complete that guys. So I still have to fix my couches and sweep my living room and clean up my vanity. So I did all that within an hour. I know an hour actually flies by whenever you're trying to hurry up and get everything done guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to go check out Clean with Kellie's Power Hour. That way y'all can get super motivated to go ahead and go clean up whatever area that y'all need cleaned up guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.